everyone. Before we begin, we're just going to look at some basic terminology. So we'll start with the circle. So the circle is a closed curve where all points are the same distance from the center. Obviously, if it wasn't the same distance, then you'd be looking at an oval type of shape. Diameter, a line that connects two points on a circle and passes through the center. A radius is a line that connects the center of a circle to its circumference. A chord is any line that connects 2 points on a circle without passing through the center. Semicircle is exactly half a circle. An arc is any segment of a circle that is not a semicircle. And a tangent is a line that touches a circle in a single point. Triangle. So there's actually several different types of triangles. A triangle in definition is any closed shape with 3 straight sides. A random triangle is this one here. Then you've got your right triangle, which is that 90-degree angle between 2 sides. Okay, I might not be pronouncing this correctly. An isosceles triangle. Oops. So this type of triangle has 2 equal sides, as indicated in this diagram. Equilateral triangle has 3 sides, and its 3 angles are also 60 degrees. Alrighty, so let's begin the actual practical part of class. Also, just so you know, these classes do get a lot more interesting. I already had taught 2 more interesting classes prior to this one, but I forgot to teach the most simple how to draw a triangle class. So that's what we will be doing today. And yeah, have fun. Got to start at the beginning and we're going to slowly work our way up, and I promise it will get more fun as we go. Draw a small horizontal line from A to B. With your compass, measure the point from A to B. Maintain this measurement and keep your point on A, drawing a small arc up overhead. Place your point on B and draw another arc passing through the first. Connect a line from point A to the center cross. Repeat this from point B. And there we have our equilateral triangle. How to draw a triangle within a circle. First, draw a small circle. Draw a vertical diameter line. Place your compass on the bottom point of the line where the edge touches the circle. Then draw a downward semicircle. Connect the top of the diameter line to the right crossover edge of the semicircle. Then connect the top of the line to the left crossover edge of the semicircle. Connect the 2 crossover points of the semicircle. And there we have our triangle within a circle. Feel free to erase the outer edges of the circle. Feel free to color it in. For those who want to learn how to draw parallel lines and tangents, let me know. I can create another video for that. I do have the footage. But for now, we will learn how to draw different types of shapes. So stick with me. These are going to get more fun and more complicated as we go. See you soon.